One of the really important tools that Illustrator gives you is its selection colors per layer. And they're not random, and it is definitely something that you should be using to your advantage. I have 4 layers right now. I have that design layer that I had, right, we took the opacity down. I have a purple rectangle on a second layer, a drawing here, and some type hanging up here on layer 4. I want you to notice that as I select each thing, okay, so this is kind of a blue, that's red, a deep blue, green, okay? Each line, each selection box is a different color depending on what layer it's on. And I want you to notice over here on the layer palette, there's a little box that coordinates. So not really a big deal now. I don't have a lot of things happening here, but in a complex illustration, you will have a lot of pieces, a lot of little elements to your design, and if you select something, you may not necessarily know where to find it. So the first part of the equation is to figure out which item is happening here. This will be a little easier to see if I pick one of these letters. So here's one of those type letters, okay? It is in this design, or this layer rather, I can see the box right there. If I open up the layer, you can see this one has the dot in it, the box, okay? So I can either select here by clicking here, see how it moved, or I can click on the box, or the little button, sorry, and that will select, okay? Whichever is easier. Okay, so sometimes it's easier to pick the object here, and sometimes it's easier to pick the object here and grab the dot. Okay, if the color ever turns out to be something you don't like at the moment, these two blues are pretty similar, so maybe I want to change it. If I double click the layer right here, right there on the side, double click, this color you can change, and you have a whole pile of choices, okay? Sometimes it picks black or light gray, those are strange colors, so you can choose anything that you like, and if it turns out that it's not working for you and you need to make it different, then you can change right here and make whatever you like. But it's definitely something that you should be using to help you stay organized.